This is chapter number 10, and now in case of group 2 we will discuss here chemical property. In case of chemical property, here means reaction of group 2 related element will be again related with respect to air, then water, and then after we can say that halogen, and then after we can say that here we can say that acid and reducing nature, and solution in liquid ammonia will come. Clear? Solution of here we can say that liquid ammonia will come here. I was में so now we will discuss one by one. Here means chemical property of group 2. So here the alkaline earth metals are less reactive than alkali metal, and the reactivity of these elements increases on going down the group. Here reactivity will increases on going down the group. So now first of all we discuss here reactivity towards air and water. एयर का मतलब होता है O2 और वाटर मीन्स H2O. तो बेरिलियम एंड मैग्नीशियम आर काइनेटिकली इनर्ट टू ऑक्सीजन एंड वाटर. Beryllium and magnesium are kinetically inert to oxygen and water because of the formation of an oxide film on their surface. Clear? Oxide film on their surface. So however, powder beryllium burns brilliantly on ignition in air to give beryllium oxide and beryllium nitride. Here powder beryllium burns brilliantly on ignition in air to give beryllium oxide and beryllium nitride. Clear? So magnesium is more electropositive and burn with dazzling brilliance in air to give magnesium oxide and magnesium nitride. Clear? So here now see reaction of beryllium and magnesium is given with respect to O2 and water is there. Clear? Now other element, for example in case of calcium, strontium and barium are radially easily attacked by air to form the oxide. First of all oxide and then nitride will come. So they also react with water with increasing vigor even in cold to form hydroxide. So whenever this will combine with water, here means hydroxide will form. So this is complete information of group 2 related element with we can say that here means O2 as well as we can say that here means water is there. Clear? So now we will discuss here chemical property. So chemical property of group 2, it means reactivity towards halogen. So see, this is beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Here general formula will be M+2. So now we will discuss reaction of group 2 with we can say that halogen. Here MH2 will be there. Clear? So now here all the alkaline earth metal combine with halogen at elevated temperature forming their halide. Clear? Forming their halide. Here M plus H2 combine, here MH2 will form. NX may be fluoride, chloride, bromide and iodide will be there. Clear? Thermal decomposition. What is meaning of thermal decomposition? मतलब heating. So thermal decomposition of ammonium beryllium fluoride is the best route for the preparation of BeF2 and BeCl2. Clear? Thermal decomposition of ammonium beryllium fluoride is the best route for the preparation of beryllium fluoride and beryllium chloride is conveniently made from the oxide. Here reaction will be बेरिलियम ऑक्साइड प्लस कोक, तो बेरिलियम ऑक्साइड प्लस कोक प्लस Cl2 600 to 800 Kelvin, so beryllium chloride and carbon monoxide will form. So this is, we can say that here means one of the best example. It means reaction with halogen and all that. Clear? Now next chemical property. So now we will discuss here group 2 with hydrogen. तो चलो यहाँ पे क्या है, तो this is M plus 2 H minus 1, तो MH2 will be there, है ना. यहाँ देखो, तो all the element except beryllium, all the element except beryllium combine with hydrogen upon heating to form their hydride. Hydride means general formula will be MH2. Here BeH2 however can be prepared by the reaction of BeCl2 with lithium aluminium hydride. So this is one of the strong reducing reagent. Here beryllium chloride, lithium aluminium hydride, so beryllium hydride, lithium chloride and aluminium chloride will be there. Clear? Now next one, reactivity towards acid. तो चलो यहाँ पे M plus 2 and here acid, तो MCl2 and hydrogen will be there. Clear? So now alkaline earth metal radially, alkaline earth metal radially react with acid liberating dihydrogen. यहाँ पे metal related with respect to group 2 HCl, here metal chloride plus hydrogen will form. Clear हुआ? मतलब group 2 related element will combine with, we can say that here means acid, then here means metal chloride plus hydrogen will form easily. Now next chemical property is reducing nature. So what is reducing nature? See, if type of reaction is oxidation, then nature of reactant will be reducing. Nature of reactant will be reducing. तो चलो यहाँ देखो, like alkali metal, alkaline earth metals are strong. This is strong reducing agent. Strong reducing agent. So this is indicated by large negative value of their reduction potential. Clear? Reduction potential redox में दिया हुआ है. So however their reducing power is less than those of their corresponding alkali metals. So beryllium has less negative value compared to other alkaline earth metal. However, its reducing nature is due to large hydration energy. Hydration energy associated with the small size of beryllium plus 2 ion and relatively large value of atomization enthalpy of metal. Clear? And now next one is solution in liquid ammonia. तो solution in liquid ammonia में क्या करना है? See, like alkali metal, the alkaline earth metal dissolve in liquid ammonia to give deep blue black solution forming ammoniated ion. ये reaction है, M plus X plus Y ammonia give us M NH3X plus 2 and then after 2 electron of ammonia Y minus 1. So from this solution the ammoniates can be recovered easily, and whenever we are writing anything within a square bracket, so this is normally known as complex. Clear? In this way, here chemical property of group 2 is again explained on the basis of, here we can say that reactivity towards air and water, then halogen, then hydrogen, then acid, reducing nature, and then after liquid ammonia. Correct? Now topic number 10.6.7 we will discuss here uses of alkaline earth metal. Uses में क्या आ जाएगा? See, so beryllium is used in manufacturing of alloy. beryllium is used in manufacturing of alloy. Copper, beryllium alloys are used in preparation of high strength spring, है ना? Copper, beryllium alloys are used in preparation of high strength spring, and then after metallic beryllium is used for making windows of X-ray tube. Metallic beryllium is used for making windows of X-ray tubes. Clear? So this is important use of, we can say that, beryllium. Now magnesium. So magnesium forms alloy with aluminium, zinc, manganese and tin. Magnesium forms alloy with aluminium, zinc, manganese and then after tin. So magnesium, aluminium alloys being light in mass are used in aircraft construction. Aircraft construction. Clear? Magnesium powder and ribbon is used in flash powder. This is, we can say that, flash powder, bulb, incendiary bomb and signal. Here we can say that signal. So magnesium powder and ribbon is used in flash powder, bulb, incendiary bombs and signal. Clear? Now a suspension of magnesium hydroxide in water is known as milk of magnesia, is used as an antacid in medicine. Antacid in, we can say that, medicine. Now magnesium carbonate is an ingredient of toothpaste. तो टूथपेस्ट वगैरह में क्या आता है? We are using magnesium carbonate. So first वाला use, first three use is related with beryllium, and then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is use of, we can say that, magnesium. Clear? Then calcium. So calcium is used in extraction of metal from oxide which are difficult to reduce with carbon. Difficult to reduce with carbon. Calcium and barium metals, owing to their reactivity with O2 and N2 at elevated temperature, have often been used to remove air from vacuum tube. Vacuum tube में से air वगैरह निकालने के लिए here we are using calcium as well as barium. Clear? Then radium. So radium salts are used in radiotherapy for extraction and in the treatment of cancer. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? तो radium salts are used in radiotherapy for, we can say that, extraction in the treatment of, we can say that, cancer. So in this way we can discuss here uses of group 2 related element. In this way we can say that these are important uses of group 2 related element. Clear? Now we will discuss here general characteristics. So now topic number 10.7. So we will discuss here general characteristics. तो जनरल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स में क्या आ जाएगा? ऑफ कंपाउंड. तो जनरल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ कंपाउंड में आपको क्या करना है? इन केस ऑफ जनरल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ कंपाउंड ऑफ अल्कलाइन अर्थ मेटल, तो देखो, द डाई पॉजिटिव ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट इज M+2 is the predominant valence of group 2 element. Predominant valence of group 2 element. The alkaline earth metal form compound which are predominantly ionic but less ionic than the corresponding compound of alkali metal. So this is due to increase nuclear charge and smaller size. Due to increase nuclear charge and smaller size. Clear? Now oxide, here oxide and other compound of beryllium and magnesium are more covalent than those formed by the heavier and large size member, that is calcium, strontium and barium is there. Clear? The general characteristics of some of the compound of alkali earth metal are described below, है ना? तो यहाँ पे क्या करना है, सी जैसे ग्रुप 2 है तो ग्रुप 2 में बेरिलियम, मैग्नीशियम, कैल्शियम, स्ट्रोंशियम, बेरियम, रेडियम. तो here formula will be M+2. The general characteristic, first of all we will explain reaction with oxygen and hydroxide, then halide, and then after salt of oxo acid. चलिए M+2 है, O-2, तो M2O2, तो finally MO will come here. Clear? Similarly M+2 OH minus, so here MOH2 will be there. Clear? So now देखो oxide and hydroxide, so the alkaline earth metal burn in oxygen to form monoxide and formula will be MO, which except for beryllium oxide have rock salt structure. The beryllium oxide is essentially covalent in nature. So this one is again we can say that covalent in nature. Clear? The enthalpy of formation of these oxides are quite high and consequently they are very stable to heat. Clear? Now the beryllium oxide is amphoteric while oxide of other elements are ionic in nature. Clear? All these oxides except beryllium oxides are basic in nature and react with water to form sparingly का मतलब होता है partially, sparingly soluble hydroxide. तो रिएक्शन देखो MOH2O, here means MOH twice will be there. Clear? Now solubility, here we can say that solubility, thermal stability and basic character of this hydroxide increase with increasing atomic number from magnesium hydroxide to barium hydroxide. Here we can say that magnesium hydroxide to here we can say that barium hydroxide is there. Clear? The alkaline earth metal hydroxides are however less basic and less stable than alkali metal hydroxide. Reaction beryllium hydroxide बेसिक मीडियम कॉम्प्लेक्स बना, इसको बोलते हैं बेरिलेट आयन. बेरिलियम हाइड्रोक्साइड एसिडिक मीडियम वाटर, हियर अगेन बेरिलियम टेट्रा हाइड्रोक्साइड प्लस क्लोरीन विल फॉर्म. तो these are again we can say that salt. So whenever we can say that formula will be written, whenever formula will be written in square bracket, so this one is nothing but it is we can say that complex is there. Clear? So this is complete information in case of oxide and then after we can say that hydroxide. You know, in case of hydroxide or as well as oxide, so whenever oxide will form, after formation of oxide, so this will be non-metal, then after metal, and then after here we can say that metalloids are there. Clear? The oxide of non-metal is acidic in nature. Oxide of metal is basic in nature and oxide of metalloid is amphoteric in nature. Clear? In case of group 2, the beryllium is first and last element of modern periodic table, which is we can say that electron rich in nature. So beryllium is first and last element, which is we can say that here means electron rich in nature. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? And boron is first and last element, which is we can say that electron deficient in nature. Correct?